everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Sunday! And today, syempre, if it's Sunday, it's our grocery shopping video and grocery shopping haul. Inaantay lang namin si Mr. Kasi nga, medyo late siya nakauwi ngayong week dahil maraming trabaho ang binigay sa kanya. It's currently 3:21 PM. Sabi niya baka by 4 PM siya makakarating. And then, doon yung time na pupunta kami ng Walmart. Pero nag-time off siya ng Wednesday kasi nga meron akong check-up noon. And yun din yung first hearing niya doon sa parental, ano bang tawag doon? Parental rights na parang parental rights na hinihingi niya doon sa kanyang para sa kanyang first daughter. So kaya ayun, kaya siya nag-time off ng Wednesday. So okay lang na medyo na late siya ng uwi. Hinihingal ako. Laki-laki na ng aking tiyan. Kanina medyo nag-worry ako kasi pagkagising ko sobrang sakit nung aking upper abdomen. Parang sa ano siya, sa acid. And nagsuka nga ako eh. Tapos nag-take ako ng Tums kasi pwede naman siya for pregnant women. So ayan, naging okay naman na yung aking pakiramdam. Although medyo maasim pa rin yung sikmura ako. Can you call Dada? Can you call Dada? Dali, call mo na si Dada. Say hello, Dada. Dali. Hello. Oh no. Oopsie. Dali na, call na Dada.
Hello.
Hello, Dada. Dali, say bye-bye, Dada. Yay! Good job. So yan guys, we are on our way to Walmart and it's 4:54 PM. Si Mr. dumating tong mga 3:45 kasi nag-shave pa siya. Ayan, bagong shave. And yung temperature ngayon, hindi ko alam. Parang 16 degrees Celsius. Check natin. Yeah, 16 degrees Celsius feels like 12 degrees Celsius. Medyo makulimlim. Pero pag nasa
called the rut.
What does that
It
mean?
means that the deer, they're all fighting each other, and they think that, and they want to fight everything else too. So they wander around in the road.
Ayun, nakakatakot. Buti na lang, wala. Do we have any car behind us during the incident? Nakakatakot siya. Yeah, parang ayoko nang parang nag-ano na naman ako, dalawang isip. Mag-aral mag-drive. Sira. Para silang nakared ng kanyang tatay. Grabe, naiihina naman ako. Tapos yung tiyan ko ngayon hindi siya pantay na maganda. Siguro wet ito ni baby. Ayan siya. Hindi ko alam kung makikita niya. Ganyan. Mas mataas tong part na to kaysa dito. Anyway, ako ay 33 weeks pregnant na. Tapos si Mr. sabi niya mag-fasting daw siya. So hindi siya kakain. Until when are you gonna fast? Tomorrow?
Morning.
Tomorrow morning. And si Mr. pala ay, you want me to tell them you've got shingles?
Just did.
Ako din, dati nagka-shingles ako. Feeling ko ano siya talaga, yung sa stress. Di ba ang sabi kasi nila yung shingles daw, yun yung virus or, oo, parang virus ng chickenpox. Kasi hindi naman talaga siya nawawala. Parang natutulog lang siya sa loob ng katawan mo. Tapos pag na-activate siya, magiging shingles. Sobrang sakit nun kasi yung sa akin dati dito siya, sa mukha ko. Pero, nung pina-check up ko siya, alam na kagad ng mga doktor sa Philippines na shingles siya. So, binigyan nila ako nung gamot. Kaso nakakahilo yung gamot na binigay nila. And hindi talaga siya nakaka-alleviate ng pain. Dapat lagi kang maliligo. Lalagyan mo siya ng malamig para medyo mawala-wala yung sakit. Pero sobrang sakit niya kasi nga nerve pain daw yun. Pero ito si Mr. Love, what's your experience with the doctors here when you've got your shingles?
Well, the first time I had shingles, I went to the doctor and I told them, my skin was okay a little while ago and now I have blisters. What happened? Why did these blisters just appear out of nowhere? And the doctor said, I don't know. And this is emergency room doctor says that, I don't know. And then they call in one more doctor. He says, what is that? I don't know what that is. And then they call in a third doctor.
Same hospital?
Yes, who looks at the shingles, and doctor number 3 also does not know what shingles are. So this is why I have a problem with doctors, because a lot of them suck.
What year was that?
2013, 2012.
When I got shingles, it was, I think it was before the pandemic. But then when I went to the emergency room in the Philippines, they already know it's shingles, and it is really shingles. That's why they were able to give me that medication, because they said if you won't take that medication, it would take like up to 2 weeks before it would heal. But with that medication, it would only take a week, and that happened. Pero hindi talaga siya hindi niya natatanggal yung sakit. Sobrang sakit niya. And ayun. Pero sabi nila bihira na daw yun paulit, pero kay Mr. na ulit. I think dahil yun sa stress. Madami kasi siyang iniisip. And yun din sa work niya. Sa trabaho niya. Where's that part? This area? How is it now?
My back.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's
Getting better? Eh, ayaw naman na niyang pumunta ng doktor kasi nga wala siyang tiwala. So, titiisin na lang daw niya. Pinipilit ko nga siyang pumunta ng doktor para mabigyan din siya ng gamot. Eh, dahil nga sa kanyang experience before, huwag na lang daw. Titiisin na lang daw niya. Ang pinakamasakit daw talaga na part is yung dito pag sa mukha. And yung sa akin talaga dito siya. And yun din gamot na yun na binigay nila para daw hindi din siya mag-spread ng sobra. Pero pag sa left part lang daw yun, and kunwari sa mukha mo, dun lang daw yun talaga. Sa right side lang. Yun ang sabi sa Google. At sabi din ng mga doktor. Dito na kami sa Walmart, guys. Wala silang pa-music ngayon kasi hapon na. What are you gonna get again for Zeta? Love it. She has that. That one, pots and pans. This one.
That's nice.
Huh? This one.
Pots and pans, I'm gonna
It's small. Why are you gonna use this? This one, dentist playset.
She likes this.
Oh, she has that lamp.
She has a big, ugly one. This is a nice little one.
I
She
know.
likes this.
No.
This is what she wanted. She was reaching.
Just get another one. This one. It's expensive, $59. Did you get one? So, kumuha kami ng water filter.
Let me go look around.
Cuddle bug. Baby, do you want this book? You want this book? No. Oh no! How about this one? Cuddle bug. Do you like that?
This one's better.
I think she has that. My dad is amazing. Maybe. Do you like that better, baby?
This one.
My dad is amazing. Ayan guys, so daan na kaming mamili dito sa Walmart. Mabilis lang kami. Ano bang oras na? 5:55 PM. Medyo umaambon siya. And kanina, nung namimili kami sa Walmart, may biglang lumapit sa aking babae. Nagulat ako. Sabi niya, I like your dress. Si Mr. nagulat din siya. Tapos ayun, sabi ka lang, thank you. Ay, medyo lumalaki na yung aking paa. Well, hindi siya lumalaki, namamanas na siya. Kaya parang sumiskip na itong aking sandals. Pero kasya pa naman. Kasi 33 weeks na ako. So, 6 weeks na lang. Lalabas ng ating second baby. Baby, are you excited to see your little sister? Zeta? Si Zeta, parang magkakaroon siya ng 2 kapatid. Immediately nang sabay kasi kung maayos yung yun ngang case na final ni Mr. para dun sa kanyang first daughter and magiging okay at papayagan naman na dumalaw sa bahay namin, yun, magkakaroon ng ate si Zira. And then pag lumabas na yung baby, magkakaroon naman siya ng little sister.
I gotta listen to my clown show.
Clown show. Ayan, makikinig daw si Mr. sa kanyang clown show. So we are back home, guys, and let's start with our grocery shopping haul. The first is roasted chicken. Ito ang aming dinner for tonight ni Zita dahil nga si Mr. ay magfa-fasting. And then isang bag ng grapes. Chicken nuggets. And then yung toy ni Zita. Ay, hindi mo get strawberries? Meron din tayong strawberries. Mga tagi-isang pack na lang talaga yung kinukuha namin or isang bag para hindi siya masayang.
Sabuk.
I have melon here. Pero itong saging, laging ang dami kinukuha ni Mr. So, 3 piling ito. Kasi nga, binibigay niya dun sa kanyang friend na raccoon. Peaches, green beans, and then celery sticks. Mini croissant, and then loaf bread. Peanut butter Oreo cookies. broccoli, then mini peppers, mangoes, apples, white onions, avocados, and then carrots, melon, cucumber, ground pork, and then chicken thighs, and then honey ham, pull-ups na diaper ni Zayda. So for this week, ito lang binili namin kasi marami pa siyang naiwan na diapers doon. Pang extra lang. Wet wipes. And then ice cream, chocolate, peanut butter ice cream. Dalawang box ng whole milk. Ramen. Butter. Butter. And then juice na ang flavor is strawberry banana. Pitcher filter. And then sliced Colby Jack. And then Jif na creamy peanut butter. Breadcrumbs. Olives. Pickles. Better than bouillon na chicken flavor. Ketchup, and last one is vegetable oil. So ayun ang aming pinamili for this week, and yung total niya is $207.48. So mas mababa siya ulit sa aming weekly budget. Nag-budget na kasi si Mr. ng $350 a week. So almost, more than $100 yung na-save namin for this week. $250.
No, we budget $350 and we spend lots less.
Ah. So what can you say about that?
Because I don't want to go over budget.
Well, so ayun, and tatapusin ko na yung video dito guys. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Please do consider subscribing, and if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much again for your support. See you again next time. Bye!